sparkling colors which carry good cheer and melodious songs. Holi has something for everyone. It always brings lot of happiness, high spirit and smiling faces. Everything is so joyous and colorful, but this festival is incomplete without its chilled nutty drink. You guessed it, it is Thandai. Thandai is refreshing, cooling, delicious and really easy to make. On this colorful day, let's try making this cooling drink. Don't have time? That's okay. Let's try this instant mix. Perfect for last minute rush. And if you have few hours in hand, then I would suggest going with the traditional way for that zesty time. So let's guzzle Thandai two ways, instant and traditional. Full list of ingredients with quantity is given in the description box. Don't forget to check that. To make Thandai Masala, an instant mix, you will need blend of aromatic nuts and spices. For instant Thandai, slightly roast the mix for just 10 seconds or keep in hot oven to remove the moisture. For traditional Thandai, soak nuts and seeds in half a cup of water for 5 to 6 hours. If you like, you can blanch the nuts. Transfer our nut mix to mixing jar. Grind to the smooth paste. For traditional Thandai, you may add little milk for grinding if needed. Our Thandai Masala is ready. Can't wait to try this. Thandai is normally served chilled. Rest of the process is same for both mix. Let's make one full glass of super cool and refreshing drink. Let's add a bit of icy cool ice. Add a tablespoon or two Thandai mix. To this, let's add milk and give a quick whisk. You can use any milk of your choice, be it full fat, low fat or even a vegan milk. It's time to add some sweet. I'm adding honey and rose syrup. You can also add sugar or any sweetener of your choice. And one last whisk and serve. Thanda Thanda Cool Cool, refreshing and relishing drink is ready. Do give a try and let us know with refreshing comments. If you haven't joined our Healthylicious Bites yet, please do consider to subscribe and stay tuned for more HBites. I wish you a colorful and joyful Holi. Have fun. Thank you for staying on Healthy Side. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, have a healthy and delicious day.